Tax refund garnishments can catch many by surprise, impacting your finances significantly. In this video, we'll explore the process of tax refund garnishment and provide strategies to help you protect your refunds. Before any garnishment can occur, the entity seeking to garnish your tax refund must first establish a legal right. Government agencies like the IRS have broad authority to garnish federal tax debts without a court order. In contrast, non-governmental entities must obtain a court judgment. This foundational step determines if the garnishment process can proceed. Once the legal right is established, the entity must notify the IRS of the debt and their intention to garnish your tax refund. This formal process involves communicating the debt details and claim to the IRS, which acts as an intermediary. Following the notification, the IRS issues a notice of intent to offset. This notice informs you of the potential garnishment and provides a time frame to challenge the offset. It's your chance to dispute the claim or address the debt, potentially avoiding garnishment. If no action is taken, or if your challenge is unsuccessful, the IRS will proceed with the garnishment. This involves intercepting your tax refund and applying it towards the debt. The amount garnished depends on the debt size and any legal limits. Prompt action upon receiving the notice of intent to offset is crucial. Contacting the entity seeking garnishment to discuss resolutions can be beneficial. This step involves negotiation with the creditor, aiming to find a solution to avoid or minimize garnishment. Navigating tax refund garnishment can be complex. Here are some strategies to help you safeguard your tax refunds. Stay up to date with your tax obligations. Timely filing and payment of your taxes can significantly reduce the chances of garnishment. If facing financial difficulties, communicate proactively with the IRS. They may offer payment plans or other arrangements to help prevent garnishments. If you're unsure about navigating your tax situation, seek professional guidance from a tax attorney. They can provide valuable advice tailored to your circumstances. An offer in compromise allows you to settle tax debt for less than the full amount owed. If accepted, this can prevent or stop garnishments. Review applicable exemptions and credits to reduce your overall tax liability, potentially increasing your refund and reducing garnishment risks. Keep thorough and organized records of your finances and tax filings. Accurate documentation helps prevent misunderstandings or errors that could lead to garnishments. By employing these strategies, you can take control of your tax situation and reduce the risk of garnishments. For expert advice, visit jdavidtaxlaw.com or call 877-845-2460. Our team is here to help you navigate your tax issues with confidence. Thanks for watching.